Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Tom from TTT Tom's Tech Time. Today I want to present you the new DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0. Let's unveil the new changes and let's check out if it is worth the purchase or not. Don't forget to leave a thumb up, don't forget to subscribe to never ever miss any of my upcoming episodes again. There is a product link in the description below for all tech specs and all details. Let's get this episode started. Stay tuned and fly safe. Yesterday on Facebook, I ran into a posting that said that DJI unveiled a new drone. And I couldn't believe it. And I was like, okay, are people just trying to fool us again? Or did something really happen? I checked it out. And it was true. DJI unveiled a new drone without me knowing, without DJI sending a newsletter, without a press release, without a big launch event. Why was there no annunciation? I think that's because the all-new DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0, or should I rather say the updated drone, is just an update and not entirely a new drone. DJI only upgraded the DJI Phantom 4 Pro drone that I'm holding here in my hands. The drones look the exact same. Besides, and that is the first of the two differences, the propellers. The propellers have changed. DJI installed low noise propellers to its drone, plus new ESCs, basically motors for the propellers. That makes the drones 4 decibels quieter, which is approximately 60%. That is quite noticeable and that can be really helpful, especially if you're having aggressive neighbors or if you're in general planning on flying in quieter surroundings. Having low noise propellers and the new ESCs really makes sense. DJI already lowered the noise of another drone, the DJI Mavic Pro Platinum, in the past, and I can say yes, the drone was quieter than its predecessor. If you have to fly in, let's just say, a sensitive surrounding, then maybe the new low noise DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 is worth it. The second change is, in my eyes, very unspectacular. DJI installed OcuSync to the new remote controller of the DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0. You cannot use the remote controller of the DJI Phantom 4 Pro with the new Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0. And that is basically because of the new OcuSync, and that means that we can take DJI's goggles, the VR glasses, so to say, for the drone, with which we can virtually sit in the cockpit of the drone, and we can wirelessly attach those to the drone, which is cool. We can use the goggles. Even though I am not the greatest fan of the goggles, they still are too heavy and I'm waiting for a second series. It is very nice that now we can connect our goggles wirelessly to the DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0, but to me that is not really worth it. So now who should buy the DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0? I can say I really thought about ordering the new drone, but the camera specs have not changed, the battery life has not changed, the obstacle avoidance has not changed, nothing has changed really besides the low noise and besides the wireless connection of the goggles. And I'm very sorry, but that is not enough. So if DJI wants to announce a new drone, there should be a little bit more than just 2 really detailed tiny features. And again, I guess that's why DJI really didn't even send out a newsletter for the new drone. But if in general I wanted to buy a DJI Phantom 4 Pro because the DJI Phantom 4 Pro has a gorgeous camera, 1-inch sensor, and is really good and really worth it, it's one of my absolute favorite drones, then of course now you should get the V2.0 version. It is really, I think, a good deal then, but I will not do the upgrade. I won't upgrade from my Phantom 4 Pro to the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0. It is really not enough. But yeah, what shall I say? I'm a bit disappointed. I was actually waiting for the DJI Phantom 5 drone, maybe with interchangeable lenses and some cool stuff. So now the DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 is not the greatest deal. But again, if you are thinking of upgrading to a Phantom, then check out the DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0. A product link can be found in the description below. And that is already it. I don't want to talk too long about these tiny, let's just say, enhancements of the new drone. That's it. Don't forget to leave a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to never ever miss any of my upcoming episodes again. And don't forget to check out facebook.com/tomstechtime. There you can stay up to date all the time and you will be notified once DJI releases a DJI Phantom 5 or another exciting drone. That's it. Stay tuned and fly safe.